Alright, so if you're starting out and you're running a small business and need some super basic accounting software in 2025, you might have come across something called the NCH Express Accounts. It's a desktop based software, and honestly, it's not bad if you're just starting out. There's even a free version if you've got 5 or fewer employees, and the paid version is a one time fee, which is rare these days. You can do things like track income, expenses, and even reconcile your bank stuff, but only by uploading CSV files. No live bank feeds though, which is kind of old school for 2025 standards. It's pretty easy to use but also pretty limited. No mobile app, no automatic syncing, and if you want to work with a team, yeah, that is not happening. It's definitely more for solo business owners who just want the basics and don't want to deal with subscriptions. If that's you, it might be a solid pick, but if you're a growing fast business or need something more advanced, this probably won't cut it. Still, for a quick and cheap offline solution, it does the trick.